just driving down to the dog park. I've got a beautiful German Shepherd for 2 days. Well, I'm sitting for him for 2 days. So we're just driving down to Knighton Dog Park. So I'll see you when we get there. So we're just arriving at the dog park now, just about to pull in. It's just here. It's a little bit on the muddy side, to say the least. I don't think I'll be driving down to the field. I might just walk down there. There we go. As you can see, it's absolutely chucking it down. What have we got in here? It's the delightful Quinn. You coming out, Quinn? You're going to get drenched, boy. Come on then. Where's it? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? You ready? Oh yeah, he likes his ball. Come on then. Bring it. It's a good boy. Where is it then? You want me to throw it? You want me to throw that for you? I'm not very good at throwing balls. You ready? Come on in. Come on in. You love it, didn't you? I'll be doing this all day, wouldn't I? And again? You are good. My dog Scooby wouldn't drop it. He'd just hold on to it. That fooled you, didn't it? Oh, he loves it. Come on then, we're getting drenched, having the time of your life. I'm totally drenched, dog. Ready? You can do all this all day. Oh dear. Quinn, I'm not going to throw it constantly because should I kick it? You're funny. Go on then. You go through the tunnel. Having a right old sniff, isn't he? So, we're back at the dog park again on a not quite as rainy but an extremely windy day. Quinn is just marking his territory. I've got the proverbial ball to throw. My arm's killing me from yesterday. It's very windy, Quinn. My van's going to be filthy again. Quinn! Get the ball! You ready? What's this? Quick! Quinn! You ready? You're going to have a poop. You're going to have a poop, aren't you? What have you found? Just found something. He's on the hunt for something. What have you found, boy? What have you found? You ready? Quinn's going to take it. Quick! Let's go, Quinn! Let's go! Come on! Let's go! Quick! You just want me to throw the ball all the time. Drop it then. Drop. Good boy. You ready? What's this? Got you a pointer now. You got your paw up. Here he goes. Come on, boy. Let's run. Let's run. Come on. Quick, come. Get the ball, Quinn. You got it. Quick. Come on. Come on. Quick.